Hi, my name is Sally Buckner. I'm going to be 70 years old in 3 months, and I was thinking about how my appearance was affecting my life. I always take care of myself in terms of eating right and exercise, and I was developing jowls and banding in the neck, and there wasn't anything that I could do to hide it. I found it to be very annoying. I'd even try a turtleneck and it would all bunch up. And I had been using injections quite happily for years, but there was nothing that was helping the jowls and the banding in the neck. So I did research. I researched quite a bit because a facelift and a deep plane neck lift, which is what I had, are scary. It's a very scary thing to do. So I did a lot of research. I came across Dr. Daraei. He's double board certified. He has a lot of experience. I read all of the reviews. I looked at all the pictures I could look at because you need to be really comfortable with your plastic surgeon. And I decided to see Dr. Daraei. I called the office and spoke with Jolie, the patient coordinator, and we talked for quite a bit. She gave me lots of information, made an appointment, came in, talked to Dr. Daraei. He was very nice, addressed all of my concerns, answered all of my questions, and I had quite a few. Everybody is really scared to do this, and so you really need to have trust and faith in the doctor. And as soon as I was finished, I was sure that I wanted Dr. Daraei to be my surgeon. I don't actually remember any of the surgery. It was painless. And so went home, came back, and Dr. Daraei saw me several times after that. I had a few concerns. I was a little worried. One day I had a red spot on my neck, and I contacted Jolie, and within 3 minutes, Dr. Daraei called me back, and I was absolutely amazed. And I said, my gosh, that was fast. I hadn't even got a cup of coffee yet, and I had sent Jolie a picture of this red spot. And he said, well, if I just had plastic surgery, I'd want my surgeon to call me back. I mean, he's just like a regular guy, like super friendly. So they took care of that, and I have to say that since that time, people have noticed, but I haven't actually told them outright. Well, I've told a few people, but I haven't told them outright. But it's funny because people will say, oh, did you change your hair? Or you look really good, did you lose weight? And I know it's because I, for once in my life, have a jawline. I mean, I am really happy. Before this, even before I had jowls, I had like a really soft jawline. I never liked my jawline, and now I actually have a jawline. So I'm very, very delighted. So I should also probably mention that my surgery was only 8 weeks ago, so I'm still healing now, and I was able to go back to work within 2 weeks. 2 weeks after the surgery, I went back to work. So you don't see it because the scabs are back here now, but it was only 8 weeks ago, so I'm still healing. I do recommend to my personal friends and family, I do recommend seeing Dr. Daraei. Ultimate faith, very comfortable, very professional. He did a great job, and it was painless. I'm just absolutely thrilled. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Daraei to all my friends and family members without hesitation.